Hello everyone. So let us see how you can add the response body inside the mocked response. So first of all, I'm going to modify our test to add the assertion on the response body. So I'm going to put the assertion on the brand name. After that, I'm going to comment out this to annotation and start our application via Tomcat. Now I'm going to run our test. So test is passing now. I'm going to shut down the Tomcat again and run the tester. This time the test will fail. And after that, I'm going to modify our mocked object. Now, if I go to the documentation of response definition builder, you can see inside this there is a method that is with body, using which you can attach the body to the mocked object. So I'm going to take the help of this method. Also, if you look at the return type of with status method, it is going to return as the type of response definition builder. And because of that, I can use this type of notation. So I'll just use dot with body. And this is the body which I want to add it to the mocked object. One more thing we need to attach with the mocked response, that is the content type. As we are going to return the body, we need to specify what is the format of the body. So again, I will go back to the documentation of response definition builder, and you can see here we have a method that is with header. This will take the argument as key and value. The key represent the header name and value represent its value. So here I will use with header. Key is content type and value is application/JSON because the data format of response body is in JSON format. And let me rerun the test. So now the test is passing. So this is how you can attach the body to the mocked response.